Hi, Nadeem here from Smart Riding. The Ridernav R7M has over-the-air updates, and there was an update announced today. So I'm going to go in and show you exactly how to do that. It's quite a simple process, and I think it's worth showing just to see how easy it actually is. So we go into Settings, go into Update, Update Check, and it will ask me to connect to Wi-Fi. So I just need to put my password in. That's the password in. So we're now connected to Wi-Fi. Now it's doing the check. Right, so there it's saying latest version 1.4.4, so I'm going to do update. Compared to a lot of other units, this is quite a long drawn out process, and some of them where you have to go to a website, download something, put it on a micro SD card, put it into the unit, and sometimes the micro SD cards don't work, and then you have to muck around trying to figure out whether you need a 32 gig card or a 16 or a 64. This just makes it just so much simpler. And at this price point, the Ridernav unit is just amazing that it does all this. The system's rebooting now, so that should be it, hopefully. So that's the update done. It's just rebooting now. So it's as simple as that. There's nothing difficult in this. But as I said, the whole point in this is to show you how easy it actually is, because this is one of the things that's going to make your life easier over the coming 2-3 years as you use a unit like this. So it's not just about what the unit looks like or what people are saying it does. It's also things like this, just to make sure that everything works. Now this is a new thing. So if you long press the indicator button for 3 seconds, it will lock and unlock the screen. This is one of the updates that it's done. This is to, if you're in rain and things, touch screens can start to move of their own accord because the rain's hitting it. So you can actually lock it by pressing the cancel indicator button for 3 seconds. Right, so now it's also doing an MCU update at the same time. So it's done this before when I bought the unit. So it's doing that now while it's connected up to the servers at Ridernav. Yeah, generally that doesn't take long. It's just very quick. So it's doing that right now as well. But there's new features being added to the unit as well, with the cancel indicator button and to lock the screen. So on the GS like this, generally not a lot of rain hits the screen. But if you've got a different bike, or you've got like maybe an R1200R, R1300R or something, or you have a much shorter screen and things are hitting the screen, this will stop it kind of ghosting, like going all over the place. So you can actually lock the screen that way. So anyway, that's it. Just a short video showing you how to do that. Thanks.